Hello everyone. Let's talk about boosting your Synology SA6400 NAS with a NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR4 2666MHz ECC RDIMM kit. If you're looking to maximize the performance and responsiveness of your NAS, memory is often the first place to look. This kit, specifically designed for server environments, promises to deliver enhanced speed and overall system efficiency. NEMIX RAM is a known distributor and manufacturer specializing in computer memory and storage upgrades, particularly for enterprise storage RAM used in servers and workstations. They also cater to standard and specialty ECC memory for NAS devices, PCs, Macs, and laptops. This focus suggests a level of expertise and quality control that's reassuring when dealing with critical components like RAM. This particular kit consists of two 32GB DDR4 modules, running at a speed of 2666 MHz. It adheres to the PC4-21300 standard, operates at a voltage of 1.2 V, and has a CL19 latency. The 2RX4 configuration and ECC RDIMM, registered DMM, designation are crucial for server and NAS applications, providing error correction and stability, which are paramount for data integrity in demanding environments. The key benefit of upgrading to this NEMIX RAM kit is the potential for a significant performance boost. More memory allows your NAS to handle more concurrent tasks, larger data sets, and more users without slowing down. This is especially important for applications like virtualization, media streaming, and large file storage, where memory bottlenecks can severely impact performance. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, suggesting it can be done in minutes. However, always refer to your Synology SA6400's owner's manual for specific instructions to avoid any issues. NEMIX RAM stands behind its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and reliability of their memory modules. They also offer IT support, which can be invaluable if you encounter any compatibility or installation problems. If you're serious about optimizing your Synology SA6400 NAS for demanding workloads, the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR4 2666 MHz ECC RDIMM kit is a worthwhile upgrade to consider. The combination of high capacity, error correction, and a lifetime warranty makes it a compelling option for ensuring the long-term performance and reliability of your NAS.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.